Good morning students. Today we will continue parallel lines. Some questions. Question number 6. It is given these two angles are given equal. Angle 1 and angle 4 this given equal. And these two sides are given equal. On the basis of this we have to prove this AB and CD we have to prove parallel. So once again you see these and these are given equal, these two angles and these two sides are given and we have to prove AB parallel to CD. So I have labeled this angle so that name of angle should be easy. So you can also label this name of angle in this way. So you see OC is equal to OD given. OC is equal to OD given, so angle 4 and angle 5 will be equal, because by isosceles triangle property in a triangle, if two sides are equal, so two their opposite angles will be equal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 5, but angle 1 is equal to angle 4 given. This angle 1, 5 is equal to 4 by isosceles triangle property, and angle 1 is equal to 4 is equal to angle 1. This 4 is equal to angle 1. So now you come this with the help of these two, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, because once again you see 4 is equal to 5 but 1 is equal to 4. It means these two are equal and these two are equal. It means all three will be equal. For example, this is suppose 30 degree. So this will be 30 degree because these are given equal. So these both are 30. So this both will be also 30 because these are given equal. So all three will be 30 degree. So now we have proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Now you see this is which type pair? These both. This is the alternate interior angle. See carefully. This is alternate interior angle. Means if you will rub this line, so clearly you can see this is alternate interior angle, and we know that if the two alternate interior angles are equal, so when it is possible, when the lines are parallel. So AB parallel to CD. So AB parallel to CD because these alternate interior angles are equal. So only this much you will write, no need to write extra. Question number 7. Here given these two angles are given and one more extra information given. AB parallel to EC given, and we have to find this inner angle of triangle ABC. So I have labeled this angle 1 and angle 2. Means in this question we have to find value of angle 1 and angle 2 with the help of the given things. So what are given? Angle 1 is equal to 40 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 40 degree given. So these both will be by corresponding angles. This is 40. So angle 1 will be 40 degree because corresponding angles you can see these are given and parallel. These two which type pair? Once again I am drawing the same condition here. This and this which type looking? This is pair of corresponding angle, and if these two lines are given parallel, AB and EC are given parallel, I have written here. So if these two are parallel, so these two angles will be same because this is the property. So this is 40 degree, so this will be also 40 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 40 degree by the pair of corresponding angles. Now we know these two angles, so how we can find this third angle? By angle sum property of a triangle. So that I have proved angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 75 degree. This plus this will be 180 degree. So with the help of this calculation, angle 2 is 65 degree. So this 1 and 2 we have got. I have written answer, and try to solve question number 9.